Hi guys, it's Trinity, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get this vibrant blue sparkly eye look. And I'll be showing you kind of how I do like the whole entire face with a close-up on the eyeshadow. And I'm no beauty guru, so I'm honestly like not that good, but I just wanted to show you how I do my makeup and how if I ever want to look snazzy with like a pop in color, like you can do this with any color, but this is exactly how I do it with the glitter, sparkles, winged eyeliner, and all. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get into the video.
So I decided to turn off the audio because my voice is hella annoying. So first I'm going to take this green Ulta Beauty like primer and rub that all I can't talk. Rub that all over my face. Then I have this little spongy sponge called a Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I'm going to be using my Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. Same sponge, and honestly the sponge works exactly the same as the Real Beauty Blender, so why waste $20 when you could spend $6? I've tried both, and this one is totally a bargain deal, people. Just gonna blend that all out. Next, I'm going to use my, where is it? Hey, there it is, Clinique Concealer, and I'm just gonna dab that all over my troubled spots to give those a little more extra attention. Next, I'm going to be taking my cheap e.l.f. translucent powder. I'm sorry, people. I'm literally broke, so... and I'm just going to pat that all over my face just to make it nice and matte. Next, I'll be taking this pretty pink blush from Mary Kay. And after that, I'll be taking all these cute different palettes. I have my NYX palette, I have my Hello Kitty Sephora palette, and I have my Sephora Ombre palette, and they all kind of have the same pretty blue, so I'll be using that blue today.
And I just get it right in that crease where you can like feel the arch in your bone. There's a bone right here, and you do it like right in between the bone and the eye, and you just kind of dab that light blue into your eye right there.
Keep on taking the shades of blue, and from each palette it gets like a little bit darker. So I started off using the Sephora one and it was like a light blue, and now I'm using the okay, what am I doing? Okay, pretty much I'm just dabbing blue in the crease. Is that self-explanatory? I think yes. Alright, then I get my charcoal black, and I'm gonna try to like buff that on like the end to give it a little smoky look, and then I'm blending those together so that the blue and the black are nice and blended. Blue black blended. Then we're gonna take this beautiful silvery eyeshadow, and I like dip it a little bit in my lotion, and then I dip it back into the silver to like make sure it sticks really nice. Next, I'm using my e.l.f. eyeliner. I don't care what you have to say about e.l.f. Say it to my face, but all y'all gotta know is e.l.f. eyeliner is bomb, and it's only $2. Next, I'm gonna use these two different mascaras, and I'm just gonna finish up that eye. Back to the e.l.f. thing. Okay, e.l.f. is starting to improve. Did you remember when it used to be all $1? Well, now e.l.f. is like $7, and like part of me is like, but the other part of me is like, go e.l.f. I don't know. It's cool. But yeah, e.l.f. eyeliner is the bomb.com. Alright, next eye. I'm just going to do the same thing. I'm just stippling the brush into my crease. I was trying to say earlier, like the brow bone. Like in between the brow bone. Then I do the black, yada yada yada. And then silvery sparkles. Let me just say, whenever I do a vibrant color, I always add either gold or silver sparkles into the inner corner of my eye, and it honestly just like makes it look super good. If your whole entire eyeshadow looks like shit, all of a sudden it looks better just because of the eyeshadow that you put in the inner corner of your eye. Now here I kind of slowed down the footage so you could get a really nice detailed look at how I do my eyeliner. Pretty much you want to go very slow and steady and do simple strokes, starting at where you want it to end at the top and stroking down. See how I stroke down? You don't want to stroke up, you just want to start at the tip of the wing and stroke down. Time to fill in those bad boys. Okay, honestly, I want to get my eyebrows microbladed. It's when they give you like teeny tiny like eyebrow tattoos, and it looks bomb as frick. Like those girls, it looks like they film their eyebrows like all the time, and they look good too. It doesn't look like gross tattoo. It's called microblading, so it's like real nice. Yeah, definitely real nice. All right, on to the other one. And my eyebrow shapes are weird. Can I just say, they look like upside down Nike signs. I always think that. They look like weird Nike signs, and I just want to wax them all off and just start fresh. Speaking of waxing them all off, one time I played a prank on my friend, and I told her that I shaved my eyebrows. Shout out to Emma Scudder. It was really funny, and she like thought it was real and like posted it on Twitter, and like everyone retweeted it. Literally everyone was like, "Did you really shave your eyebrows?" And I'm like, "No, you're talking to me right now. Like, are my eyebrows shaved? No, they're not." Okay, how long does it take for me to do these eyebrows? Gosh darn. Oh, looks like we're done. Ew, what did I just do? Oh, a girl's gotta have her Jeffree Star palette. Jeffree Star, he is the best makeup person out there. Can I just say, if you've never seen Jeffree Star, go watch him now. Jeffree Star! Alright, so I'm just putting that on my bridge of my nose, cheekbones, and my like over my lip and my chin. Next, I'm taking my Urban Decay. The color is called Comfort Matte, and I am swiping that all over those lips.
Thank you so much for watching my video. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And also, I will see you guys on Wednesday. That was so cheesy. Ugh.